Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can cover our face using emoji on VN video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN video editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project using VN. We can click on plus icon and then select new project, and since we want to edit video, we can choose video based. Okay, and then you can choose your video guys, the video you want to cover with emoji. I'm going to choose video from this folder. Wait, for example, I'm going to cover this girl's face with emoji. Okay, now this video has been added to my project, but wait, I'm going to remove the ending. Alright, and I'm going to cover this girl's face with emoji. As you can see that the face is moving. So I'm going to show you the trick to cover moving face. Okay, we can go to the BIP and then select sticker. And here I'm just going to search for emoji. And I'm going to use, for example, this one. Okay, and we can zoom in or zoom out like this. You can customize the size of the emoji. Alright, and then don't forget to make the emoji align with your video. I'm going to extend the duration. Alright, and then to make the emoji can follow moving face, we can use keyframe. This is the keyframe feature we can use. You can click on the keyframe like this, and then you can adjust it one by one like this guys until the rest of your video. Okay, unfortunately on VN video editor there is no motion tracking feature, so if we want to cover moving object with emoji, we need to adjust it one by one like this. We need to adjust it manually. Okay, now it's done, and let's see the result. I know that it's not perfect, but that's okay. This is just for an example, and you can try it by yourself. Okay guys, and that's all the way to cover face with emoji using VN video editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.